What's up, the viewers? Back at it again, filming in the cold weather. Freezing, but it's alright because we are on our way back to Oslo from our mountain cottage. It's windy, as you can hear, and we're stopping at this super cool... Oh, wait a minute. Wind. We are stopping by this super cool concrete bank bowl. Yes, concrete bank bowl. Let's take a look. And by the way, this will probably not last. But let's see what we can get. And by the way, it's slightly raining. Yes, look at this. Woo. Ooh. Hope it will stop raining. It's cold, it's raining, but I'm never giving up because you're my viewers. Are you ready, Benedicte?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Flare fakie on the flare fakie of the cloud.
Hey.
The only cord pipe in this skate park. This is kind of a bowl. Everything is banks, steep banks, and I'm telling y'all, this is about to blow up. This will happen any second. You hear me now?
Woo!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah! Du holdt på å kjøre på her.
That was not intended, but it just felt normal. Should try doing, like, try to do it perfect.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm acting weird right now. I'm freezing my hands off so bad. Man, I want to go to a warmer place. Tell me in the comment section which warm place with like loaded with good spots to ride. Tell me where I should go right now. Post a video, comment, keep on watching. Thanks. Flare fakie, half bar. Oh! Oh!
Ai, ja.
Oh, nei, fuck! Oh. Not the cleanest, but it's in the rain, so what you gonna do? It's something. Hello!
Hi.
You get YouTube? Yes. They like YouTube. Decayed the hip. Yo! I saw this super cool thing to do here. There's a steep bank. And it's a white line. 180 bar over to the white line. This is probably a 4 meter 180 bar gap. Not really. Again.
Woo! Woo!
All the way.
Hey.
Play it in slow-mo.
Woo!
Right. Over to the next one. In this rainy little session. What to do? I'm still waiting for this thing to explode. Oh! Right. So what happened here is, in the previous video I just posted, you can see me get a flat tire. You got a pretty big hole in the actual tire patch on it, and now it's kind of trying to explode again. So any minute, I feel the bump when I ride, like every time we roll around, boom, boom, boom. Right. Yes. As I already told you, we are actually on a trip with my family, so this is just a stop. We had 1 hour to film something, and I want to do something crazy, as normal. And I come up with this crazy, weird idea. I think we filmed a time lapse, did you?
Yep.
Yes, time lapse of moving this super heavy concrete block as a kicker onto the grass. And because I want to do something out there. Probably a flip. Let's do something I did. Sick!
Aj!
Woo!
Woo!
Send it!
Ow.
I just found out we actually have like 2 minutes, so get the 7 and go. Damn, that would hurt. Whew.
Yeah!
Yes!
Woo!
Victory, yet again. Oh man, that knocked my elbow out hard. Probably gonna turn into a swellbow. Yes, we gotta be quick. I can't really believe my wheel did not explode. That's crazy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just a quick one from stopping by this park. Give me a like, subscribe. See you next time. Woo.